extra amount of pressure they can put on him. Strength advantage definitely lies in Drew Onyx's favor.
Drew Onyx was biting Paulson's ear?
This match has gotten personal. They've
Once
had
again,
encounters before, so they're very familiar with each other. Oh! And that also means that Drew has been fed up with the Night Train Express, continuously trying to grab their titles from him.
See, this is where the Bone Collectors really excel. They don't just cut off the ring. They keep you in their corner. They really do. Oh, Paulson saw that coming.
Wow!
Huge big cutter. Oh, no. Drew saw that squashing Paulson.
How do you kick out of that, Tony?
I have no idea. That's conditioning. That's instinct.
It's the will to win, really. They want nothing more than to win these championships. They put the extra mile. Another big leg drop.
A lot of these moves, right, the Bone Collectors use are designed to just take the wind out of you. If you can't breathe, you can't move.
Paulson desperately needed a tag. His tag team partner is rearing and ready to go.
And you see right there, as I was talking about, designed to get the air out of you. If you have a chin lock applied right, you can't breathe. So no matter what air you already didn't have, you're not getting it. Once again, Paulson gets trapped in the corner of the Bone Collectors.
That is their game plan.
Another tag. Frequent tags right here, keeping each other as fresh as possible. Well, Paulson trying to fight back. Created some distance. Tried to get in the middle of the ring. Oh! That seemed like a angle slam neckbreaker right there. Drew caught him in another big splash.
Beautiful set of moves.
Onyx with the head control right now.
I've got to say, as much as the Night Train Express wants to win this, and that has been what I've been saying, equally as much the Bone Collectors want to continue on their legacy as NWA.
Well, this is a story of Night Train Express having nothing to lose and the Bone Collectors having everything to lose. Both desperate teams at this point. Onyx with the side headlock on the ground.
You gotta understand, though, with more and more losses to the Bone Collectors, they move down the rankings. I don't know how many rematches they will get, but they have to capitalize.
Drew Onyx throwing Stephen Paulson out of the ring, the opposite side of where Mustafa is. Drew spitting
Double
on Mustafa.
axe handle.
Referee's now occupied.
We're looking at two different sides of the ring. An axe handle. Knocks
So
Paulson
much going
for a
on here.
loop. We got 4 men in the ring. Some outside, some in the ring. A lot of action. We have. You know what? His name's unstoppable, but he has been stopped for quite some time. Paulson needs the tag team to Mustafa Jordan. The tag, rather.
Onyx with the cravat into a snapmare takedown.
Snaps him down.
That'll send you back to 2003. Onyx with a handful of beard right now. Oh, yanking on it.
Perfectly executed beer.
Thumb to the eye now.
Blocks the strikes.
Paulson. Oh, Drew hitting Mustafa. Paulson alone in the middle of the ring now.
Oh,
Trying to go off the ropes. Marston catches him. Is that almost like sleeper? Referee John Carlo not wanting to use the count, doesn't want to disqualify.
Knocked him over clear out of his boots.
Turned him inside out with that gigantic clothesline.
Paulson,
Lariat.
Paulson's got to be done. He hasn't moved. Look at him. He hasn't moved.
It's a very cocky pin right there. Onyx asking if Marston wants him. Another tag to the fresher Marston at this point.
I think Onyx is still rather cocky.
Marston looking for that swan headbutt dive.
Nothing but canvas.
Oh, Mustafa with the tag in. Clothesline on Marston. European uppercut on Drew. Throws him off the rope. Drew manages to reverse here. Marston with a big jumping shoulder block. This man has very strong shoulders. Marston with a blind, Paulson with a blind tag.
Sunset flip. Going for the pin.
Sunset flip.
Might be all.
Drew just gets in to kick it to stop.
All four in the ring right now.
Very unique right there, catching Mustafa's leg and chopping him
I
down.
don't think Paulson should have got the tag that early. Maybe adrenaline. Oh!
Assisted cutter right there. This is it.
Should be
This is
off.
all over. Whoa. Mustafa showing signs of life, being able to get up there, break up the pin.
Paulson's going to get back out. This
Now-
is not wise of him to stay in the ring.
Referee throwing caution to the wind here. Both men have both members in the ring.
German suplex will turn him inside out. And more on the shoulder on that one.
Could have easily dislocated a shoulder on that one. Drew breaking up the pin before getting out of the ring.
Not pretty, but effective.
Drawnics. Oh, hanging up Stephen Balson. Marston with the control here, trying to pull Paulson. Goes into the ropes. Samoan drop. Marston with a pin.
Look, I love the Nitrate Express as much as this guy, but Paulson's got to get out of here. He's all but done. I don't think he has much left in the tank. Just clubbing blows to the back.
Once again, Bone Collectors in their own corner.
The strategy, I agree with. Very, very smart. Very, very effective.
Drawnics lifting him up. In the fireman position. Eats a big boot into the TKO pinning position. Mustafa breaking up the pin.
Oh!
Just clotheslining Marston out of the ring.
Jordan's had enough.
Super kick. Double rock bottom right there.
That's it!
Is that a pinfall?
Is that it? Do we have new?
We have a new champions?
They've made it official!
Oh my goodness!
New champions! New champions!
We have brand new NWA Canadian Tag Team Champions, the Nitrate Express!
Well, he deserved!
Capitalizing on separating the Bone Collectors for a millisecond, Marston was thrown to the outside, Drew was left in the middle, and Nitrate Express, a victory these men have been chasing for a year.
I'm overcome with emotion, as are the Nitrate Express in there. What a win, not just for them, but for the fans of Torture Chamber.
What a way to end the year of 2017 with brand new NWA Canadian Tag Team Champions. I do want to thank everybody for watching. Our announcer, Naveed, so happy to be announcing that. I do want to thank everybody for watching the show today. Join us next time as TC Pro Wrestling presents Showcase Sunday 4 that is going down January 21st, 2018. Check out more information on TCPRODOJO.ca and Facebook.com/TCPRODOJO. If you have what it takes to be a pro wrestler, come check us out. Go see TCPRODOJO.ca. The Torture Chamber's mission statement is simple: to develop professional wrestlers for a career in an international platform, emphasizing on the basic fundamentals of pro wrestling in a safe, supervised environment. And no better story than these two men training from the chamber And now, champions.
Soak in the adulation. You two deserve it. What a win for everybody.
Thank you so much for joining me, Dr. Bobby John.
Always a pleasure, Tony.
I'm Tony Stabile, and we'll see you all next time.